Hi, I'm Daniel from Germany. I work for the creative DIY brand Blumelei, and we use Shopify for our online store. I installed EComposer, I would say 1.5 years ago, because I wanted to make the front end myself without hiring a developer for every single change I wanted to make. With EComposer, I built just about everything: the homepage, the cart page, the product pages, the categories, several landing pages. I would say just about everything. And I gotta say, it's really intuitive. Before I chose EComposer, I tested several tools, and I gotta say that EComposer is the cleanest, the fastest, and especially the customer service is super quick, super competent. Whenever I have a problem, they give me a tutorial to make it myself, or if I say I cannot do it, please help me, they always find a solution within minutes. So can I recommend EComposer? Definitely. If you want to save money because you do not hire developers, if you want to have control over your shop, if you want to have changes immediately because you can do those changes yourself, EComposer is the perfect solution. And one cool thing EComposer offers is the extensions in the add-on list, which gives you even more features than the regular features that you have from EComposer. So altogether, the bottom line is thumbs up, choose EComposer.